Good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
The camera is Michael. And this little thing here is my kitchen.
All right.
And around, of course, the doggy. Where's Teddy at? Teddy Bear.
Ginger.
Oh, there they are.
There they are.
My
Hey.
dumpling babies.
All
and
right.
we have made Jello before several times, but now we're going to make a different type of Jello.
What kind of Jello is that?
It's 1 cup of hot water.
Orange
in there boiling,
tangerine Jello.
And then I put a cup of cold water.
Okay, so 1 cup
And
of cold
you put
water.
the mixture inside.
1 cup of hot water.
Yeah, 1 hot and 1 cold.
And the powder.
And mix.
And what's different about this Jello? It's natural.
Tangerine.
It's natural, guys.
And from Jello.
No artificial
It's new from
flavors.
Jello.
Wow, it smells like oranges. You smell that?
Orange because it's orange and tangerine and mandarin. Tangerine is mandarin.
Yes.
I don't know why they call it tangerina.
Well,
Tangerine, orange, tangerine, misto.
That's right.
So, okay. So I'm going to
Tangerine,
put this in 2
tangerine.
cups and then I'm going to pour another cup of water. Let me turn this on. Be careful, my brother.
right.
One.
2. Wow.
I thought it was going to be enough for 2. Let me just rinse this off. And then that's the tangerine and orange.
That's right.
And now I'm going to we're going to put these, let me put them here before I put them in the fridge. And now I'm going to take another cup of hot water here. Here you go, guys.
You're going to take another hot cup. Why?
Because we're going to make the other Jello. So this one is different. This is mango passion.
Oh.
So this is going to be like exactly. So like 2 videos in 1. So, you know, because it's Jello and they're short. So this is the orange tangerine, and now we're going to make the mango passion fruit. So we're going to do the same thing. That is 1 cup of water there that I put. It's on high. And then I'm going to take a cold cup of water from the fridge. And we're going to be adding this cold water into that hot, boiling 1 cup of water. How do you like that, Mike?
It is good.
Cool,
it is
right?
good.
Yeah. Oh, you see it's almost boiling? And then what do? It's so easy. Like Jello, it's one of the easiest thing, guys. It's always 1 cup per box, 1 cup of hot water. You turn it off. 1 cup of cold water. You take your Jello powder. This is mango passion. And we already have orange tangerine over there, remember?
That's right.
See the color is different? Because it's mango. Wow, it smells like mango too. I swear to God. Wow. These are new ones that came out and they come in little baggies. So I think they're really cool. So what we gotta do is just like move this, wait until it dissolves. You'll know more or less when everything is you know, dissolved completely. And then we're gonna put it in the 2 glasses, we're gonna put it in the fridge. And then sometime later tonight, on like 2, 3, 4 hours, we will take it out and do what, Mike?
And eat it.
And eat it. And I'll eat 1 and Michael will eat 1. We'll sit at the table over there.
All right.
And we'll do a review about these. Yeah, oh, you know what? I'll get 1 of each. We'll both get 1 of each. What do you think?
All right.
And do the review on that. Okay. So here we go. This is the mango passion fruit. Oh, that's why it smells so delicious. Wow. Just want to make sure I put, see, the same amount.
Very nice.
On both. And there you have orange tangerine Jello. Oh, let me open the fridge. Woo. Oh, in your face here. Okay. There you go. Oh my God, I got the condensed milk for the thing.
All right.
Did you see it? So that's the orange tangerine, and this is the mango passion fruit.
That's right.
So if you come with that, you see that these are like, you see the color is different? So this is mango passion fruit, and these 2 back here is orange tangerine, which is mandarin. But anyways, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Like us on Pinterest. Look for us on Pinterest and Google+. On, wow, I keep on forgetting the...
Twitter,
and,
Tumblr.
I already said
Patreon.
Tumblr. And then we also have a Patreon account. If you can scroll down below, there's a link there if you want to donate $1, maybe $100, maybe $1,000, maybe $1 million. I'm being for real. And then also, we also have another link. It's for dog food for puppies. And they have vitamins and chewies and toys and all that. It's called lifeabundance.com/for-all.
Link down below.
That will be our link. You can click on that and that will take you straight to the animals and the cats, all the stuff for animals that we have. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go and I'll see you later tonight. And we're going to be doing a review on how our mandarin orange jello came out and also the passion fruit mango came out. Okay, so I love you. Don't drink and drive. Hi guys, good morning and I mean good afternoon. Don't put that camera, Michael, please, so close to my face because my blemishes are like acting up today. That was some pizza that Michael made for him, and this is the jello from last night. Remember, I said we were going to do a thing on it.
That's right.
I'm just gonna taste a little bit because I haven't been actually eating too much of anything lately. Just stress out over stupid things, just like every other woman in the world, right, guys? So this was the orange tangerine.
Yes.
And then this one was the mango
Passion fruit.
Mango passion fruit and orange tangerine.
That's
so
right.
I'm just gonna take a little bit of each and I'll let you know. So I'm gonna start with the orange because I love orange. A little bit of orange tangerine jello.
How is it? Tastes better than normal jello?
Oh, you see?
It's natural.
Yeah, no, and it's natural. We made it ourselves.
No
It's
artificial
not made-
ingredients. No artificial coloring.
That's really good.
I might have some.
And then this one, I want you to try this one, the mango
passion fruit.
Because I'm not, get a spoon from over there.
Alright.
I kind of like don't like too much that because it has passion fruit and thing. You know what I'm saying? But go ahead. From the corner, Michael. Look at Michael. That big lump like that. Go ahead. Ew, you go ahead, you eat it. How is that? You like that?
Tastes like mango.
Yeah. So anyway, these are the jellos, people. So you know what to do. You can make yourself some for the kids, for the husband, for the girlfriends, for the
Whoever.
wives and the girlfriends.
That's right.
Hey, whoever you want to make it to. If you have a wife and a girlfriend, you can make it for both. Or if you have a husband and a boyfriend, you can make it for both too. Hey, however the wind blows, whichever way the wind blows, right?
That's
So
right.
anyway, this is my orange tangerine. Oh, and if you have a boyfriend and a girlfriend, you can make it for both too.
That's
you know
right.
What I'm saying? Or if you have a girlfriend and a boyfriend.
That's right.
So anyway, this is my tangerine orange jello.
And our mango
Don't
passion
forget
fruit.
to subscribe and our mango passion fruit jello. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey,
Visit us.
get some of that.
Visit us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram,
Google
on
Plus.
Google Plus.
That's right.
On Patreon, you can go down the link on Patreon and want to donate $1 or $100, $1,000, $1 million. Hey, whatever you want, it doesn't matter.
Hey, that's
Or
okay.
You can also, if you have puppies and little cats, the little puffy little animals.
Like that puppy right there.
So come here, Papa. Hey, buddy. You can go to the link down and we have the best dog food that money can buy. I promise you that. All you gotta do is go to the link to Ginger. Hold on.
Hey,
Go to the link down below where it says
life abundance for all.
lifeabundance.com/for-all.
That's right.
That will be my link. So you gotta click on that link. Okay,
Click the
guys?
link, click the
And then go, and I will
link.
take you to the website, and you'll see the dog food, the treats, the
That's
chewy
right.
ears,
And even
They have
supplements for
vitamins,
us.
They have supplements even for us people. They have supplements for dogs.
That's right.
All that good stuff, flea and tick stuff. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. And don't forget to make you some tangerine orange jello.
That's
really
right.
delightful.
Or mango passion
And
fruit.
today is Monday. And like I said before, you can make it for your boyfriend or your girlfriend, or you can make it for your wife or your girlfriend, or your girlfriend or your wife, however you want to do it. You know how crazy this life is.
That's right.
Or your boyfriend and your girlfriend.
Or both your boyfriends.
Yeah, or both your boyfriends, or both your girlfriends, or
Yeah.
both your wife and your girlfriend. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. You know what to do. Love you. See you later for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Bye-bye.